Hello everyone. I'll just get started here. I'll make sure that everything works first, then we can continue. So just a moment as I set up. I saw Kabidi. Cool. So we just like wait for a little bit of time. We can start in like 3 minutes and then continue from there. So I'll just do like a little bit of mic checking 1, 2, 3 and to see if this works. Good. So just another minute. Let's check if this works. The audio is fine, and then we'll just like continue and showcase what we have been building at Therabot. Good. So, cool. So audio is good. We just start now. Okay, cool. So hello everyone. My name is Caleb Jefune. I am founder and CEO of Therabot. So Therabot is an AI mental health platform that we are trying to revolutionize how therapy is done by trying to make therapy cheaper, accessible. I just put my face here first so that you guys can see. Okay, cool. Hello everyone, my name is Caleb Jefune. I'm the founder and CEO of Therabot. Therabot is an AI company that is trying to revolutionize how we do mental health. We are trying to make mental health cheaper and accessible anywhere, anytime with AI. And so during our office hours, every Tuesday, 8 p.m., we'll actually be doing a couple of things. We will actually be showcasing what we have actually been doing behind the scenes so that you actually be in like in date with us. So the last office hours we released Terra O1. So Terra O1 is our model. So built on Llama and OpenAI. And so what we released was we were giving people a way to connect to our APIs, actually to connect to um, our models, which there was success with that. So far, so good. We have a couple of number of people that are actually trying to uh, call our APIs and actually building on top of Therabot. And so today we have a couple of updates we want to release, and we hope that at the end of the stream, we will actually be up to date with what we already have and what is working right now. Cool. So I'll just like take a few seconds here to respond to a few questions here, and then we can start. So, okay, cool. So someone here is saying, wow. Cool. Good. So again, I'll just like recap. What is Therabot? Therabot is an AI mental health assistant that actually makes mental health cheaper and accessible anywhere, anytime. And so at Therabot, we only don't work with AI, but we also have therapists on the side. If in case you need a therapist, um, just like tell the chatbot to actually book your session, and then it will actually book your session as well. And so today, what we are currently launching and what we are currently actually bringing out to the market today is a couple of features that we want to dive in and see. And on Friday or next week, Tuesday, one of our members of the company will actually come and go into uh, deep conversation or into deep explanations to actually tell you more about those products. So for myself today, I'll just like go through an overview of what we currently have now and what we are currently thinking to actually bring out to the future. Cool. So as you can see, we actually even have a new landing page. We are trying to be more sleek and more AI-ish. And so we just come to my screen here and then try to share this screen. Just a moment. I'll just add a scene. Uh, share my screen. I had this figured out. I don't know why I'm still having difficulties with it. So media screen, share screen, good. And then I'll have my face down here somewhere up here because okay, let's change this. Okay, cool. Good. So now this is our new website. So we changed from what we had before, and now we have this. So this is the new trytherabot.com. I'll just like move this. I don't know how to move this thing. I'll bring it up here. I don't know how it looks up there. Oh yeah, let me take it up there. Okay, cool. So this is how the new Therabot looks like, and we have actually changed it. We have actually tried to make it in such a way that it's AI-ish. Let me just go back to the lives here on my phone so that I actually check so that I don't miss updates. Cool. Yeah. So this is our new website, and this is actually how it looks like. So we have tried to bring in new features, and we have tried to bring in new things so that actually you feel that you actually need help or you're actually being helped. And so um, again, at Therabot, we have tried to make sure that we are uh, trying to take over the therapy industry by actually bringing tools to actually try to, go through all these channels. So remember, we had Therabot for B2B, where we released our API, where people are already building on top of it. Remember, we had like our distribution to customer, whereby you guys actually accessed Therabot on Talk to Terra, the WhatsApp chatbot, TerraChats, and all that. And so we also like have others whereby we give therapy to communities and therapy to um, like we match people to therapists. And so on top of that, we have just like added new features. Remember that our Terra O1 model is still available and it's still actually being used. So if in case you'd want to build a therapy uh, a therapy chatbot, or you want to build a therapy um, agent or a therapy anything, you can actually build it on top of us by calling our endpoints. Cool. So a couple of solutions that we have. So we have solutions for individuals. So individuals are just you and me, whereby we go through this by texting on WhatsApp or having the conversation on what on Talk to Terra. So the conversational AI where you just like talk and talk and talk. We have introduced therapy for Therabot for businesses, whereby businesses can actually bring in all their employees and all their people to actually have therapy on Therabot. We have actually also opened Therabot for communities, whereby a whole community can just like come together, and then we like leverage the platform that Therabot has or the therapists that Therabot has. And then we are actually also bringing therapists together. So we have something called TheraPsycho, whereby we are trying to actually bring all therapists together that they can now actually work together. So that therapist community is what we call Therabot. TheraPsycho, sorry. Good. So we have a couple of products. Before I go to products, I'll just like take you through, guys, what we already have. So our partners, again, thank you to our partners, Microsoft for Startups, Nairobi AI, 11 Labs, that actually gives us the voice AI, and then we have Miro for collaboration, and then we have Llama for AI models, plus um, Microsoft for startups, so that actually also like gives us the model. But we also like have other different partners that actually have come through for us, like Vonage, that gives us the WhatsApp part, and many more that actually we couldn't just like put all of them here. Cool. So into the solutions that we are actually offering till today is Talk to Terra, which everyone knows, which is the conversational AI, where you just like go and talk, and then AI that listens. So we call it Talk to Terra, AI that listens. So you just go and talk. So TerraChats is, if you don't have WhatsApp, you can actually go to TerraChats. So we'll actually break them down as we go, and then try to see how we can actually do this better. And then Terra IoT. So Terra IoT is therapy inside smart devices and wearable devices. We are actually introducing something called Theraboots, whereby we install it in places like crowded cities and workspaces and things like that, whereby someone can just like go walk in and have therapy. And that one actually you can find it on Terra IoT. So TerraLink is a platform that actually connects licensed therapists to people who actually need therapists. So we are not just an AI company, but then we are also making sure that that human touch when it comes to therapy is not undermined. That's why we have TerraLink. We'll actually also go through that. For Terraform is just like a community whereby you can come tell your story, you can come help other people who are going through the same thing to actually help them out. And so you can actually we will actually go to it and actually look at it in depth. For Theramix is group therapy redefined. So we have 3 to 5 people come together, and then AI matches them together so that they go have like a physical therapy or even an online therapy. So this is we are also launching it today. We are also opening up it up today for actually people to start using it. And then not to forget our WhatsApp chatbot that we actually every other person is using. So if you're not using our WhatsApp chatbot, you are missing out. So we introduced Therabot for B2B. Essentially, B2B is Therabot for company, whereby you can actually access therapy as a company, or your boss or your employer can actually pay for you to, come to Therabot. And we have Therabot for communities, whereby, what we are also trying to heal the communities. And so, yeah, So a couple of things that we have added also, we have added as a faster way to seek support. So if in case from the feedback that you guys gave us last time is you guys want support as fast as possible, and you feel as if the WhatsApp is not, is not doing the work. So we put, seek help as fast as possible on the site, so that when you just fill this, and then you want, what do you want? Do you want us to email you, or do you want us to give you like a phone call when you actually submit this, and then you actually get help as fast as possible? Cool. So you can fill that again. Emergency level, is it urgent, as fast as possible? What is it? Is it problem with billing? Is it a technical issue? Do you want to give us feedback, or you really want help? And then now you fill that, and you send your help request. What we'll do on our side is to make sure that every request that is put, we actually um, reach out back to you and actually see how we can help you. Cool. So what we did from your feedback, we also found out that you guys want also to feel Therabot before you actually use it. So that's why we put Therabot on the website, whereby, what, hi, tell me about yourself, or how are you feeling today, or what do you need. So you can continue the conversation here, but then it's limited because you'll have to actually go to WhatsApp so that you continue the conversation. And so something like talk to someone, for example, and then yes, try to talk to someone, and then it will actually tell you, to prompt you to actually go to WhatsApp. So again, if you feel that what you're trying to say here is not enough, you actually just like press that button, continue to WhatsApp, and then it takes you directly to WhatsApp to actually continue that conversation. We also put the voice AI, but it's still under development, but we couldn't wait to actually show you guys. But then this is actually how it's going to look like. So you just like tap the uh, tap the microphone and just speak. So when you speak and speak and speak, what it will do is it will store that conversation, and then after that, it will now take you to a platform whereby you can actually talk more and more and more. Cool. So, as you can see, we have served over 24,000 people worldwide, 763,000 therapy sessions on both WhatsApp, on all our platforms, actually, that we actually give therapy. And then 84 countries actually have actually used Therabot. We have 9 platforms with the one mission, and the mission is to make therapy cheaper and accessible anywhere, anytime. Cool. So again, you can go through the stories that people have written about Therabot here, and then try to actually also like read them. Good. So we'll go straight into for individuals. Now, individuals is just uh, basically, for individuals is basically you go to Therabot and actually just start chatting. So that is for individuals. For businesses, if in case any business person is here, kindly just let me reload this. I don't know where it went to. Okay, stream dead. I don't know what happened, but anyway, I can continue this one. Sorry about that. When it comes to solutions, we started with for individuals. So for individuals, it's just like you going to chat with Therabot, and then so we have this download app that is also like coming soon. And then again, you can read the stories that people are actually writing about Therabot and stuff. So for businesses, if in case you're a business person here, you can actually request a demo whereby we can come and demo our solution on how it's going to work, or just like view the real use cases on how we are going to how we are already like working in this market and things like that. And so I'll come back to solutions for businesses, and then you can, if you request a demo, it will take you to a Calendly link that you will actually book a meeting with us to actually come and to actually come. Where is it? It's here. to actually come and demo what we can actually do. And so, our prices are as cheap as possible. Again, that is our mission. We are trying to make therapy cheaper and accessible anywhere, anytime. So we have the starter, which is $15 per month, where you pay for your employees, and then they get the support, they get the AI therapy chatbot, they get one or two therapists, and then for professionals, they get up to unlimited therapy sessions. And then, yeah, so schedule a demo and let's talk, uh, because that is actually what we are going heavy on. For communities, if you want to start a community program, you can actually engage Therabot. So, for example, you are, let's say, for example, in Nairobi, and you feel as if you have a community that you want to talk to them about therapy. You can actually also like request a partnership information or request a partnership with Therabot so that we actually come and sponsor the event or bring therapists to the event to actually talk about mental health with your people or something like that. So if in case you're here and you'd want to you're so heavy with the community or you'd want to start that, contact us. So it will actually again take you to our calendar to book a meeting, and then we respond as fast as possible. Cool. So again, as you can see, so for Theraport for communities, we want people to go to public health departments, educational institutions, non-profits, crisis teams, like go to any community and just talk about therapy and mental health. We will support you in any way possible. Cool. So I'll go back to for therapists. So what we are doing is we're also trying to create a network of all therapists. If in case you're a therapist and you'd want to join this journey, as a therapist, you get different offers from therapy. As a therapist, you can work on us to take therapy to the community, take therapy to companies, take therapy to um, on Terralink, whereby we connect you to someone to actually help out. So, if in case you're a therapist, join the network right now. So, just like click join network, it's going to bring you um, something to fill in, and then when you fill, it actually takes you to other where other therapists are. So you'll just come here for therapist community, join therapist community, put your full name and every other thing, and then we will actually reach out to you. Cool. So again, on products, we have talked about the products that we actually offer. So this is just like a perfect match of what we are offering. So to Terra Chat, Terra Link, and the WhatsApp chat, but you can actually see what happens there. So on the blogs, we are actually bringing more people to actually write blogs for us. Actually, been through a therapy session, or you just like about Therabot. Write something about Therabot. We will actually publish your story on our platform. Or we are also going to talk about Terraform, whereby you can actually upload your stories, and then we can actually get there and actually bring them to our platform. For events, check out for this page. So um, you know that every month we have 3 events. So the first event that we have is the webinar. The webinar we are talking about therapy in different angles. So last month we had uh, social media and therapy. This month we have two. So the last month, the last week of the month, the last Thursday of the month, and then the second Thursday of the month. We're actually also launching something called um, therapy books, whereby people can come together and read a book. Just a way actually to to connect and continue to chat. So again, if you want to support us, or if you want to reach us, or if you want to uh, do anything with us, kindly just fill that form and let's get to you guys. Good. So I'll just like go through the demo, the solutions that we have actually been working on to actually bring therapy to you guys, to actually make it cheaper and accessible anywhere, anytime. For WhatsApp chatbot, you already know, but then I just like take you guys through some of these. So I'll start with Talk to Terra. So Talk to Terra is the conversational AI chatbot that actually we have seen tremendous growth with it. And we have buttons like this, so you can actually join our WhatsApp community to actually be informed about things like that. Cool. So I'll just like say start journey, and then I'll sign in with my Gmail or Google. Um, so this is the conversational AI, how it works. So when you come here, what you do is we have a different pad here. So we have home. So home here, what you do is you choose which type of therapy do you want. Do you want career counseling? Do you want personal growth? Do you want health and wellness? Which type of therapy do you actually want? And then you choose a specific topic, and then do you want the Gen Z slang mode so that actually it talks to you in a Gen Z mode? And then choose a voice. So which voice actually makes you happy or something like that, and then start conversation. So you just like press that button and it starts the conversation. So it's an AI that listens, it's an AI that never judges. And yes, hi, how are you? Yes. Um, cool. So I want us to talk about therapy. I think I'm exploring what it could offer me. Cool. So you can actually continue the conversation from there and continue and continue and continue and continue. And we also like have the chat. So if in case you don't want to um, just talk, but then you actually also like want to chat, the chat is also here that you can actually do it. And then the history of all your chats, you can choose to delete them or to keep them. uh, you can actually we are bringing in export function whereby you can export them to therapists. You can basically literally you can do anything with what you like, whatever you want with uh, uh, your history. For voice memories, our idea here was we'd want that if in case you'd have like a voice that you'd want to get therapy with, or you'd want like you have a voice that you really treasure so much that you can actually drop here, and you can actually keep it here or use it to actually get therapy. And so what, just come drop your voices, your favorite voices here, and let AI do its thing. And so journal. So what, you can actually also journal here. uh, just like to tell you that it's working. Today was a good day. And then I save that entry, and then boom, that's done. So for journaling, you actually know. For mood trackers, this is what you do. Just like, how do you feel today? I feel great. um, I feel great, and then it tracks your mood actually all the time. For upgrade, so we have something that we're releasing out during the weekend. So for the weekend, Therapot is going to be free, and so we are going to make sure that we are going to release a promo code that is going to give you therapy free for the whole weekend. And so stay tuned for that. And again, so you can actually purchase now. We are actually on a free plan. Okay, I don't. I'm already on a. My current plan is I'm already having this number of sessions, and yes, so again, you just like click purchase, and then it takes you to a place to purchase, and then you're being directed to pay. And then after you pay, your sessions are you are added the sessions and then you continue. We put a panic button here so you can actually get to us as fast as possible. Email us, WhatsApp us, call us. We are there to actually help out. For the settings, that is self-explanatory. For feedback, give us too much feedback as possible. We'd want to build the best. We would want to build the best therapy. Um, we'd want to build the best therapy tools as possible. So your feedback is actually going to help us out. Cool. And actually down here, you can actually see to upgrade. I can actually see all my payments that I've actually made, and I can actually see all the again all the sessions that I've actually been using. A recap for these. So come here, choose which type of therapy you want, choose the topic. We are going to add more topics. We are going to make this more better. And then do you want it in Gen Z mode? And then start the conversation. So that is actually how Talk to Terra works. So just come and talk. Okay, cool. So we'll go back. I'll just come back here and go to Therachat. So Therachat is another version for WhatsApp. So if in case you don't have WhatsApp, you can actually use Therachat. So I'll just come here, sign in. I don't know what's happening. So I'll just come here again, sign in. Yeah, I've seen it. Cool. So Therachat is just another version of WhatsApp, whereby you come, start a chat, and then you just start talking. So if in case you don't have WhatsApp, use Therachat. Therachat is the easiest way, and it's so fast. You see, join our community here. So when you join that community, it takes you to our WhatsApp community to actually um, be informed. And then we have this part here where I can start a temporary chat if I don't want it to be saved, and then AI just helps out. So when you put a temporary chat, it's actually not going to be stored in our databases, but then it's going to be after the conversation, everything is deleted. Cool. And again, we have emergency. So if in case you'd want to actually get to us as fast as possible or get to your help as fast as possible, you can actually come and call those numbers. For supporters, would want you to support us. We are doing a lot of things that are actually helping. So a helping hand actually won't hurt. I can say it like that. Anyway, good. So that is TerraChats. That is actually how it works. Um, come do your thing and actually get help. The next one is Terralink. So Terralink is AI, but then that matches you to get therapy. So getting therapy here means you are going to be connected to a therapist. I don't know why it's okay. Okay, I don't know why that's okay. But anyway, good. So we have Terraform. Terraform is the community side. So here we have a couple of things. So you can come and share your story. So if in case you have like a story that you'd want to tell us, we have a shop that we actually sell therapy materials. So come share your story and let other people come and get inspired. And so that is actually called Terraform. So you can actually come to the shop, look at actually what we have. So we have hoodies, we have all those, and then actually see how you can support us. And so for stories, come tell us your story, write a story. So what you do is like share a story, and then you want to submit it anonymously, or you want to just like come out publicly and do these things like this. And we are bringing out actually also like podcasts whereby you guys can come tell us your story on live, and then we broadcast it to actually everyone if you want to actually do that. For Therameets, again, this is something that we are actually launching also. So it's group therapies. So basically, you come and 3 to 5 people are actually brought up together. You actually come and have therapy together. I think I have my account signed in. Just to show you how it looks like at gmail.com. What's this? Okay. My login has failed. So try and sign in. Creating an account. Cool. So I've created an account and I'm supposed to pay. Cool. So as you can see, we have different activities: cycling together, coding together, hiking trips, dinner meetups, group therapies, music jam sessions. Come and book and register for these things. So you can apply as a therapist or go for book group cycling. So what you do is, for example, you want to cycle together. We also actually offer that. So you come and put your name, your email, and then proceed to participate. So it will actually ask you to, let me just try to fill this. My phone number is that 708 41 386. And then this is a test. When I proceed to payment, I'll pay. Okay, sorry. When I post when I proceed to payment, I'll pay, and then I'll book that. So that is actually what happens here. Good. So I'll go back. So we have a couple of activities, and you can actually see them. Uh, so 3 to 5 people again can come together, book our dinner, actually go eat. So we give you one therapist, and you can actually go with them and have fun. Cool. So going on, we have Terra IoT. So Terra IoT is, from what I explained, Terra IoT is the part whereby we bring therapy to IoT devices. And so therapy to IoT devices here mean that you can actually pre-order a teddy bear that has therapy installed in them, or like Therabot installed in them. And so now what the plan here is, what you come and do is come and pre-order. So put up a pre-order, and then what we'll do is actually build one for you, and we will actually deliver it to you personally. And so now we have different things. So we have teddy bears, we have watches, we have Alexas. And so what you actually come and do is come, pre-order, and after you're pre-ordered, we will actually design one for you with your name written on it and then deliver it to you. Cool. So what you actually come and do is, for example, you come pre-order, and then you pay that balance, put your full name, uh, you submit registration. So for example, my name is Khaled, my email address is that gmail.com, and then my phone number is +254 708 19386. My country is Kenya. And so, yeah, so that when you submit your registration, we'll actually find the registration, and then we'll actually be in contact with you because we already have your phone number. Yes. So, Terra IoT, book your orders, tell us what you want. Maybe you don't want a teddy bear, but maybe you want something else that has therapy integrated in them that you can actually talk to. We also like have people, if you want to invest in it. So what type of investment do you want to give us? Business relationships, sales and support, clinical partners. We are actually accepting applications for that, our website. So go to trytherapot.com to actually get more information about it. Yes, so that was it all. Today was just like to give you guys an overview of what we are building. We're giving you guys an overview of what we are building. And then what we'll do is over the next weeks, one of our interns or one of our developers or one of our like any of them will just like come and talk in depth of what they are building. So one of them will take Terraform and talk about it in depth. One of them will take Terralink and talk about it in depth. One of them like how to book a therapist, how to do all those things. Terrameets, one of them will come and actually talk about how to go on and book an appointment and book 3 to 5 people together. One of them will come and talk about how to chat better on WhatsApp, on our WhatsApp chatbot to get better responses from our AI and things like that. So stay tuned, and if in case you would want to contact us, if in case you'd want to reach us again, support at bricklabci.org. You can actually also like reach us via phone numbers that are actually here. Start a chat with us or visit our offices in Upper Hill. Yes, and I'll just like go and take questions if in case they're there. Just like take questions if in case they're there. And come back to the screen. Cool. Someone is asking, when is Theramits going to be available for booking? So Theramits here, we um, from the description that I gave. So Theramits is 3 to 5 people meet up together and then they go do something different. And so the bookings are not yet out yet, but in the next meeting, someone will actually come and talk about it and launch it actually officially for actually everyone to actually test it out. And so if in case you have feedback on how we can build this better or how we can go about this better, you can go to the website and check where there is submit a feedback. So submit a feedback is here. So I'll just like go back to the screens and actually show you guys what submit a feedback looks like. So see this, so seek help. There is, you can actually seek help and actually also give feedback. So you can actually see here, so feedback and suggestions. So you can actually give us feedback on um, what you'd want. So I'll personally call you or I'll personally email you to actually talk to you about the feedback that you have actually given us. So for that, just stay tuned. It's going to come. And then another question on Twitter is, okay, so we only take, okay, if in case you are a registered therapist, kindly reach out. But if in case you are not a registered therapist, you can actually reach out as a volunteer. Yes. So we take actually everyone. But then when you're a registered therapist, you are allowed to take therapy. When you're not a registered therapist, you can't take therapy. But we're releasing something called a TheraCycle, whereby registered therapists can actually coach therapists that are actually learning, and they can actually earn from that. And so, if in case you are a registered therapist, kindly reach out to us on our socials or reach out to us via our website, and we will actually, um, be there or reply to you. Yes, cool. So, if in case there are more other questions, I don't know why this broke, but if in case there are no other questions. Okay, what's your question? Huh? What is the question? Pardon? Yes, like we have a mobile app that you can actually control how the teddy bear wants. You want to have the data. You want to delete it, or you want to retain it, or you want like anything that you want to do with your data. Yeah. So we are bringing out again that decentralization with data, whereby all our users have control over their data. They can do literally anything with their data. Do you want to delete it? Do you want to keep it? Whatever you want to do. Yes. Cool. So thank you guys for joining this live. I'm so grateful. And see you guys on the launch video. Today was office hours. And see you guys on the next. Thank you.